Here I have Lenovo Tab 4 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, keep holding power, choose power off, tap OK to confirm it. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off. So afterwards, let me show you the combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down this combination for a couple of seconds, keep holding those two keys, volume up and power. Release both keys as soon as fast boot mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's choose here recovery mode and press power button to select it. Now let's wait until the Android system recovery mode pops up. And this is the Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate also by using the volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here I have to scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power button to choose it. Scroll down again to yes and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is wiping the cache, formatting the cache files, and as soon as Android recovery mode pops up again on the screen, let's just press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting. Excellent, as you can see the normal mode pops up. Now you can unlock your device and start using your tablet. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.